I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Shopify admin because that's where policies live. Go to Settings and select Legal to begin. Once there, locate the Privacy Policy field and paste your current policy to edit directly or use the template as a baseline. You should already have your business contact, data retention practices, and third-party processors handy since you'll update those lines. Make changes inline so you can track what you altered, and save drafts locally in case you need to revert. Now you edit text with precision. Swap placeholders for your actual contact, legal entity, and data processor names because vague entries create legal risk. Next, explain why you collect data, cookies, analytics, and marketing, and state retention periods in days, months, or years so users understand duration. Also describe user rights such as access and deletion, and provide clear opt-out steps. While editing, use short paragraphs and bullet lists to improve readability for visitors and regulators alike. Finish by saving your edits and then connecting the policy to your storefront. Add or update the privacy policy link in online store right arrow navigation or insert it in your theme footer so customers can find it. Once published, test the live link on desktop and mobile to confirm formatting, links, and that the correct version shows. If the update doesn't appear, clear your browser cache, preview an incognito window, and verify the theme's footer or navigation settings. That usually resolves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.